Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how I created this lock bun using this crochet hair from Maverick Locks, 24 inches. I'll be using a scrunchie, some mousse, holding spray from Even, and some edge control from Even as well. So let's get started. I'll be grabbing my scrunchie and I'm going to use a mannequin head. I'm going to use the end of the mannequin head to crochet the hair on. So each pack has 10 strands in it. Right now I am opening the first pack and I'm going to get started. So this way is just a lot easier for me to loop the hair on because the scrunchie is already scrunched out and it gives me more control over the scrunchie. So all I'm doing is just looping the hair underneath the crochet, underneath the scrunchie, and I'm just going to loop that strand right inside that loop as if I'm crocheting it on regular braiding hair strands. Here I'm just making sure it's secure, and this is a close-up look of how it looks, and I'm going to continue to do that all the way around the scrunchie. So this is the first pack. This is how it looks. I am now on the second pack. Here you can see it's getting a little bit fuller. This is how it looks so far. And this is our very last pack. You can also add a fourth pack. I think I'm gonna go back in and add a fourth pack because once you see when I get done, it's gonna be a little thin and the end of my locks are a little bit thicker. And for them not to show, I would definitely add a fourth or a fifth pack. But if you have like my length locks but they're a lot thinner, then 3 packs should be good for you, but I'm definitely going to add another pack. So here I am just adding that very last strand. I used 3 packs, which is 30 strands. So now we're going to get ready to take it off the mannequin head and see how full it looks. Definitely recommend adding 1 more pack. But overall it is cute, and stay tuned for my next upload and I will show you guys exactly how I installed this lock pony onto my hair. But it's really cute overall. So stay tuned for my next upload so you guys can see how I installed this look.